Next case is Jose Jesus De Leon, and Mr. De Leon is appearing via Zoom. Mr. De Leon is represented in his case by his attorney, Attorney Trinidad Zamora, who is also appearing via Zoom.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Zamora.
How are you? Turn yours down.
Yeah, there's some feedback coming in.
All right.
And,
I think I cleared it up.
okay. And Mr. De Leon, how are you doing?
Good. How are you?
He was breaking up a little bit. I couldn't hold it here. But
Good.
I think you said good. Okay. Now, Mr. Zamora,
Yes, sir.
on June 12th of 2025, you had the court had a hearing on a motion to suppress. Well, the motion is titled Motion to Suppress Illegal Arrest. The court had a hearing on that, and the court took this matter under advisement. The court has received and reviewed the transcript. And so based on that, the court is denying the motion to suppress.
Understood.
Okay. Now, Mr. Zamora, we're going to give you a reset. You like to reset it for trial or plea, or you just tell the court what you would like to do on the case?
We need to get an understanding from the state what the offer is, if they're going to proceed on it, and then I mean, I think whatever the offer is, then I'll give it to the client, and then
okay,
I get with the state or as far as the coordinator and get this reset for either a pretrial motions or a pretrial conference, whatever the court needs.
Okay, yeah, we could put it on the pretrial conference docket.
Okay.
And Mr. Zamora, just need to inform you that I think the prosecutor, was it Haley handling this case, or was it you? Oh, it was you? Okay. Well, we just had like I said, shakeup. We got a new prosecutor. I just getting to tell you that if the other person who's no longer here was handling the case, then you would have had a new prosecutor, but you have the same prosecutor. Correct. So we're going to set this matter for pretrial. Give us a pretrial date.
Does she have a week at least, so I can look at the week, or?
Oh,
I don't know.
We want to know what. Just give me some dates. Oh, hold on. She's going to look at her calendar, and you can look at yours.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, January 5th.
Okay. What about the week of January 5th? If not, or the week of the January 12th?
February 2nd.
Well, actually, any one of the weeks in January.
Well, no.
Is now which one we don't have?
Oh, it's on the 19th.
That's a Monday.
You said pretrial. You said put on pretrial.
Yeah, we can put pretrial. Yeah, okay.
5th, the 7th, the 8th.
What day?
Well, let's find out. We need to look at his calendar.
Okay.
Are we talking Martin Luther King Day on the 19th?
Yeah, we closed on that day.
Yeah, we're closed, I believe. So
yeah,
the 20th. Let me see. Hold on. No, I got something. I know I got something. We're not the next day. The 22nd. How does the 22nd look?
That's a Wednesday.
Thursday.
That's when we have our jail runs.
Yeah.
The next week, January 28th. I don't know.
The 28th.
The Wednesday.
You want
A Wednesday. That's
is the 28th fine?
20th is fine for us.
Okay.
January 28th.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Your case will be reset to January 28th.
To be present.
Yeah, just a pretrial. Set it for pretrial.
What time is the docket?
9 a.m.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. And your reset will be sent to you, Mr. Zamora, and Mr. De Leon. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. They will receive notice of your resets. Again, your case is reset to January 28th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. De Leon, you're free to go. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You have a blessed day and Merry Christmas. And Attorney Zamora, you're also free to go. You have a blessed day and Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas, guys.
And your family.
Talk to you soon. God bless.
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. This is cause number 25 CCCR 2076, case of style of state of Texas versus Brandon Smith. Mr. Smith, is that your full name? Okay, now, Mr. Smith, I see that your case was reset on October 21st, 2025 to give you an opportunity to hire your attorney. Is that correct?
No, I went to jail that day.
Okay, but hold on, let me do this here. I think you signed a, let me look at it. Did you fill out any paperwork that day that you remember? Like the judge's explanation of rights to defend us without attorney? Let me pull it up.
I had Tom had applied for they was telling them that they used.
I think that's that day you changed your mind too about the
No, you said I made.
you didn't qualify.
Yeah.
Okay, and so since you didn't qualify, hold on a minute. That's Smith. There you go. Yeah, I think I remember that. Those days you was here, was your mom here?
Mhm.
Okay, I remember that. Okay. See, Smith. The two Smiths in here. Oh, that's. Yeah, at that time, I'm looking at the judge's explanation of rights. You had initially, you requested a court-appointed attorney, you didn't qualify, so you changed your mind, said you want your case reset to hire your own attorney. Okay, so you hired your attorney?
Not yet.
Okay, and you need some more time to hire your attorney?
Yes.
Okay, give us a reset date.
January 23rd.
January 23rd, 2026 will be the date your case is reset to. This is he's the last one on the docket, Brandon Smith. So your case will be reset to give you an opportunity to hire an attorney. Our court coordinator is going to give you a reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. Merry Christmas to you and your family. You have a blessed day, ma'am. Merry Christmas to you as well. You have a blessed day.
It's for me, so.
No. She was just showing you. That was something else that was up there. No. Why don't you get your reset from her, from the court coordinator over here? Yeah. Is Jeremiah Fobbs?
That was reset, right?
Oh, it was?
Yeah, Ralph is hired on Lincoln.
Okay.
And
Do
it's
we
reset
have
to
a date?
felony.
To which date, because they hadn't set the felony last time, so.
They did reset the felony.
What's the date on it?
Felony reset date is January 20th.
January 20th?
Yeah. It's reset.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so Mr. Wilkerson is doing the paperwork. Mr. Boudreaux. Yeah, are you ready on Christopher Carter? Or are you still working on it? Oh, okay. You can have a seat. They're doing the paperwork. All right, just have a seat. Burbank. Jefferson County Court of Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session and cause number 25 CCCR 2084, case of Styles of State of Texas versus Christopher Alandis Carter. Mr. Carter, is that your full name?
Yes,
Mr. Carter, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
yes.
Mr. Carter, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Carter?
No.
That's good. I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Carter. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Don Boudreaux. Mr. Boudreaux, how are you doing?
Just fine, sir.
That's good. And Mr. Boudreaux, do you waive a record in Mr. Carter's case?
Yes, sir.
State is representing this case by Attorney Cornelius Williams. Mr. Williams, how are you doing?
I'm doing excellent. Thank you, Your Honor. And how are you and your staff?
Oh, we're doing great. And Mr. Carter, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you,
Sorry, I was looking for the exhibit, Judge.
oh, I don't have it, that you, Christopher Alandis Carter, on or about May 8th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you was charged with the offense of displaying a fictitious motor vehicle registration. Mr. Carter, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes.
To this charge, Mr. Carter, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, and no contest? Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charge?
Yes.
I think he checked off the Mr. Boudreaux, you checked off the wrong box. I'm gonna erase it. You had checked off the C. Do I have your permission to check out, to
Yes.
correct it? Okay. Now, Mr. Carter, I'm checking off the box that said this is a Class B misdemeanor. And the range of punishment for a Class B misdemeanor is confinement in jail that, in the Jefferson County Jail, that does not exceed 180 days, or you could be given a fine that does not exceed $2,000, or you could be given both such fine. But do you understand the range of punishment?
Yes.
Okay. Now, do you recognize this document?
Yes.
On page 2 of this document, the misdemeanor plea admonishment, states exhibit number 1. There's a set of initials, CC, on a line next to a box that's checking over contingent. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes.
And on the next document, that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal. Do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box that's checked states that you are waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes.
And I also have before me a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes.
Now, Mr. Carter, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes.
Did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes.
Is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes.
to the best of your knowledge? Mr. Carter, are you a citizen of the United States? State, I have before me states exhibit number 1. Would you like to offer states exhibit number 1 into evidence?
So tendered, Your Honor.
And Mr. Boudreaux, do you have any objections to states exhibit number 1?
No, sir.
Okay. Mr. Boudreaux, okay, states exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Boudreaux, you've advised and counseled Mr. Carter. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
Nothing at all, sir.
And Mr. Carter, your attorney, Mr. Boudreaux, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Very.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes.
Mr. Carter, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
It would be 3 days would be an appropriate, 3 days, county jail time, judge, time served, time actually served. And our cost should be taxed and retired by this period of, incarceration, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Carter, state
Correct,
is up.
Mr. Boudreaux, I'm sorry.
That's the offer.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Carter, the state is offering that you serve 3 days in Jefferson County Jail, but you will not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 3 days in Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you've already served. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired. That simply means that you will not have to pay any court costs because the time that you have spent in jail has already paid off the court costs. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Mr. Carter, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes.
You think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes.
And do you accept the state's offer? Mr. Carter, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Carter, you're gonna stand at the end of that table where the bailiff is. You will follow her directions. Once you finish following her directions, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day and Merry Christmas to you.
Yes, sir. Yeah, one holiday.
Okay. Yes,
May I add, since he's not being paid any court costs, should I waive any attorney fees?
that, he doesn't even have to pay that. I mean, the county is paying that. So you can submit your bill. Yeah. Yeah, he doesn't have to pay that. That's only done when we have probation.
That's right.
Yeah, all right.
Okay.
All right, and you have a blessed day, Mr. Boudreaux, and Merry Christmas to you. All right. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session and calls number M333380. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Charity Faith Drew. Ms. Drew, is that your full name? Ms. Drew, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Ms. Drew, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Drew? That's good. Ms. Drew, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Marcus Wilkerson. Ms. Wilkerson, how are you doing?
Much better than yesterday, Judge.
Okay, well, that's a good thing. And Mr. Wilkerson, do you waive a record in Ms. Drew's case?
We do, Your Honor.
Ms. Drew, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Charity Faith Drew, on or about July 22nd of 2022, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal mischief. Ms. Drew, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
To this charge, Ms. Drew, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, and no contest? Now, you're pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? Ms. Drew, I also have before me on my computer tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials, CD, on a line next to a box that's checked guilty. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature? And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? At the top of this document, there's one box that's checked. The box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that? And I also have before me, where's the discovery certification?
I apologize.
I also have before me a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document? Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? Now, Ms. Drew, before you sign and initial all of the documents that I just showed you, did your attorney, Mr. Wilkerson, go over these documents with you?
Yes.
Did you understand everything that Mr. Wilkerson went over? Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Ms. Drew, are you a citizen of the United States? State, I have before me State's Exhibit Number 1. Would you like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1 in evidence?
So attended, Your Honor.
No objection.
Okay, no objection. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Wilkerson, you advised in counsel, Ms. Drew. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Ms. Drew, your attorney, Mr. Wilkerson has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation? Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation? Ms. Drew, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
The essential terms are as follows. Is that Ms. Drew will receive credit for 2 days, which she has already served, Judge. But the amount of time that she would serve would be 6 days. And we ask that, and she get credit for, of course, the 2.
I look
And
like
the
it says 4 days
sequence-
on here.
They have 4 days, right?
No,
Yeah, it was,
So,
it's,
is-
to extend, she has to spend a weekend in jail, Judge. And we're gonna ask the
So-
state
so-
minimums until next.
Okay, so what's the offer? I mean, how many days is she required to, what's the offer? Is it like 6 days credit for 2?
2.
Correct, well, from the weekend, because she was.
I know, I'm just saying,
I'm just trying to figure, whatever's on the papers is
it
correct.
says 4.
It says 4 credits.
Sentence 4 days in jail, credit for 2.
to report next Friday evening.
Yeah, they have that, but
Yeah.
it's 4 days, it's not
Yeah,
6.
that's fine, that's fine.
So,
Is that,
So
What's on the paper is fine.
okay, but that's what's on the page.
the intent, Your Honor, just so
you
it,
know, she could just serve a weekend.
yes.
I understand that.
And I thought a weekend was like a week. That's just how long, I mean, with-
No, weekend, and
Days.
she go in Friday and get out Saturday.
That's,
It's 2 different days.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
what
It's not 48 hours. She gonna go in Friday, then they're gonna let her, because that's Saturday is a different day.
then it's supposed to be 5, because she's supposed to go in
So y'all-
Friday.
No, we don't have to change anything.
Okay.
It's fine.
Yeah, okay.
Fine as it
Alright.
is. No problem.
My apologies.
Okay. You have an affidavit. There's a court cost. Okay. Okay, that's credit for full. For clause. Let me do this here. It's to start on 12. 2 days. After before 6 p.m. 12. What is that? Oh, cost. What's the cost?
We're 77.
Okay, Ms. Drew. The state is offering that you serve 4 days in Jefferson County Jail. You'll be given credit for the 2 days that you have already served. And you would have to serve the remaining 2 days, starting on December 12th, 2025, at or before 6 p.m. Now, the court cost in this case is $377. Are you able to pay the $377 court cost? That's not gonna change the offer if you can't pay it. You can't pay it? Okay. Now, I have before me a document that is titled Affidavit of Indigence. Mr. Wilkerson, could you show this document to your client?
Yes,
Ms. Drew, do you recognize that document? Is everything on this document still true and correct today? Okay, Ms. Drew, I read your answers. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements. And actually, you've been determined to be indigent. And based on the finding of indigency pursuant to Article 42.15 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, the court costs in this case, will be waived, which means you will not have to pay it. Okay? Now, Ms. Drew, do you understand the state's offer and the findings of indigency that the court have made in this case?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes.
And do you think that it's fair and just?
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Drew, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement with previous mentioned findings. Ms. Drew, you're gonna have a seat, wait for your name to be called. Just have a seat in that first chair on the wall and wait for your name to be called, because she has to redo the paperwork. All right? And once you get the paperwork done, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day, and Merry Christmas to you and your family. Thank you. And Mr. Wilkerson, is this your only?
yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Okay, Mr. Wilkerson, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Merry Christmas to you and your family.
Thank you, Your Honor, but I will be back before this.
Okay. Yes, I don't. You working on another one?
Go ahead.
Okay. Trevor Joseph Stratton. This is, all right, this is cause number 25 CCCR 2152, case is styled as State of Texas versus Trevor Joseph Stratton. Mr. Stratton, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Stratton?
Now, well,
You not well? Well, hopefully you'll be well. Once you leave here, we hope we'll be praying that you recover from whatever is ailing you.
yes, sir.
All right. Now, Mr. Stratton, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Marva Provo. Ms. Provo, how are you doing? And Ms. Provo, what is your announcement in Mr. Stratton's case?
Your Honor, we would like to have this case to remain on announcement board. If I ever, we would like to have a hearing. A motion with some, presented to the DA just now.
Oh, okay, well, I'll get it through e-file. It's,
Yes, I tried to e-file it last night.
huh?
I tried to e-file it last night, but it wouldn't, for some reason, it wouldn't let me into the case.
Oh, okay,
Okay, e-file, but I'm gonna try again.
yeah, okay,
I
okay.
just wanna give you a copy of it.
Well, I'll just wait to, I get it through e-file. Because you're gonna have to set it for a hearing,
Yes.
right? Okay,
We would like to have that hearing as soon as possible.
What is it?
Before Christmas, City on 9/2.
The removal of that global, monitor on the ankle monitor.
we can, what about next week? We can set it for next week. Oh, we don't, huh?
Waiting, it's gonna be hot.
So, yeah, yeah, y'all can coordinate a date, and then so what we'll do, your case is reset for that hearing. Your attorney will coordinate a date with the, court coordinator, okay?
Thank you.
And so, Mr. Stratton, you're free to go. Stay in contact with your attorney and your advisor. You have a blessed day. Merry Christmas, and we'll be praying that you recover from whatever's ailing you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Yes, you may be excused, Ms. Provo, and Merry Christmas to you and your family. Danella Cooper. Now, Ms. Cooper, your full name is Danella Kadriana Cooper.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Ms. Cooper?
Good, yes, sir.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Cooper, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Nathan Reynolds. Mr. Reynolds, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Reynolds, what is your announcement in Ms. Cooper's case?
Judge, we've reached an agreement with the state where she would take the anger management class and forfeit the weapon in exchange for dismissal of the charges. We'd ask for a 60-day reset in order for her to complete her obligations under that.
That's correct, Charles.
Okay,
And
You want it on a Friday?
she has an ankle monitor.
okay.
She's expecting a child before the next hearing. I don't know if we need a motion or by agreement, if we could remove that requirement since we do have an agreement on the case.
I don't know. I think it would be better to have a hearing on it so we could put something on the record. Because, yeah, I mean, ankle monitor because of the facts of the case.
I understand, but I'm just saying when she does go in,
Oh, yeah, but I mean, you got to do that before that. I mean, what I'm saying, we have to at least, normally we have a motion That's filed, and we just have a hearing. We can get the hearing set anytime before, when is she expected to go in?
I go in for a C-section on January the 27th.
Okay, which is,
We
a
may,
little over a month from
we may
now.
have this case completed by then.
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't,
You wanted to stay on a Friday, I wanted on
Monday will be good.
yeah, because you're gonna have it before her, due date.
When did you say?
She says January 27th or something like that. Just put it in early January.
January 5th, January 12th,
Well,
12th.
Well, okay,
you do the class 14.
Yes, sir.
yeah. So we're gonna do January 12th,
Yes, sir.
2026 at 9 AM. And, Ms. Cooper, you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. We'll be praying that you have a healthy baby. Do you know what is it? What's
It's another boy.
hello, another boy? That's good. You act like that's a good thing. I had 2 girls. Yeah, well, that's a good thing. Well, if it's boy, girl, doesn't make a difference.
Yeah.
You're gonna, yeah, as long as they're healthy. And so, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day.
Thank you.
And Merry Christmas to you and your family. I see that you have some people here with you. Okay, who you have here with you?
My mom and my sister.
Your mom and your sister? Okay, I can see you look like your mom. Man, your sister, okay, yeah. But, I tell people this, how old are you?
I'm 30.
30? Okay.
Mhm.
You look a whole lot younger for your age. Whatever it is, I guess it's the good genes from your mama.
I thought those were two.
Yeah, whatever you're doing, keep it up. But like I tell people all the time, young people, they put a lot of stock in their friends, and I don't know if I told you this before, how people your age say that that's my BFF, or that's my ride or die. People at my age used to say that's my ace boon coon.
Yeah. One
You
thing
know.
is she's really my friend, but we sisters, literally.
That's good. That's
I
good.
don't claim her as a friend.
Well, that's good. That's good. And so, young people put a lot of stock in their friends, And so, a lot of times some of these people that you say your friends are really not your friends because everybody, not your friend, everybody not your friend, everybody not your partner. But I bet when those people say they got you, they got you.
Yeah.
You see?
Every time.
And these other people, those frenemies, you might want to call them, they're not here. But those 2 people are here. And you know why they're here? Because they love you. I know your mom from time to time, she probably over the years put a roof over your head, clothes on your back, food on the table. And every now and then she probably had to put a little spanking on your butt. And she had to do that because she loved you. Okay? And so I know this may not be the best day of her life seeing you here before a judge. And you might think that you're in a storm. But guess what? When you're walking through a storm, hold your head high. Don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of the storm, there's a golden sky and a sweet silver song of the Lord. Walk on through the wind and walk on through the rain, though your dreams be tossed and blown. Walk on with hope in your heart, and you'll never walk alone. There's one thing about hope. Hope floats. And so anytime you're drowning in the sea of confusion, just hold on to hope and you keep your head above water. And yeah. And just hang in there. A lot of times people look at this as a stumbling block, but you could look at it as a stepping stone.
And a lesson.
That's right. That's right. And with a stepping stone, you could reach higher heights in life. So whatever dreams that you have, you still could reach those dreams. Okay? Because those 2 boys gonna be dependent on you. Okay? And your mama, you can make her proud. Okay? You could do it. Okay? Only you can pull out on the inside of you what God put in you. Only you can do that. Okay? There's a gift that is in all of us. Neglect not the gift that is within thee. Okay? You'll be all right. Just keep the faith. All right? And you have a blessed day.
You too.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, thanks for coming down here with her. And I tell people this all the time. Don't hang up, hang on. Hang on in there with her. Okay. All right. And Merry Christmas to y'all too. You're welcome. You have a blessed day and Merry Christmas to you. All right. And we'll be in recess until the other Attorney Adams come from County Criminal Court, Criminal District Court. Court will be in recess.